in this video, I'll be taking you through the different things that we did using Final Cut Pro to edit our production, our film. So as you can see over here, I have our production right here. These are the different clips. Now, to start off, what we did first after we got our footage was we dragged it to the computer, and when we did it, so we used this tool to import the media from the device, and when you click on it, it just does that, and then you choose which clips you want. So that's basically what we do, and then just import selected or import all. So once you have that, the clips come up over here. So as you can see, these are the clips right here, and we would just drag it over here. So let's say we want this clip to be placed here. It's just for an example. And so we would do that, and if we only wanted like a part of it, we would just cut it by doing this. Right, and so now it's shorter. And to make sure that we showed continuity, we just in our final one edited all the ends and beginnings of the clips like this. So we would just either we felt like it needed to be extended a bit more to the original or kind of less. So we just do it like that basically, and then we would just compare it through, right, these two things. And then we would adjust the beginning of another clip by doing this. So that's basic cutting and getting parts you like. Now, let's say we wanted this clip. So let's say we dragged this clip down over here. But let's say for this area, from after this, we just wanted this part over here. So what we would do, but we needed the other part somewhere else. So what we would do is we would go to the place that we liked and select the blade tool. And how we would do that was just to basically click the B on the keyboard, and it will give you that. And you can just cut the clip, and it basically splits into two. And so that's how we do it. And then go back to select tool by clicking A, and we would just select on this clip and drag it wherever else we wanted it. So let's say we wanted it like right over here, and we just drag it. So you would see that one. And then you see this one again. And yeah, that's basically how we would do it. What the blade tool is for, we use it quite a bit. Now, when it comes to the transitions that we use throughout the whole clip, we got to the transitions by going over right here and clicking this icon right over here, which is to give you all the transitions basically. So we would use the cross dissolve. This is something we used over here, and you can see it through right over here, right? So we use cross dissolve over here, here, and that's how we do it. So the cross dissolve, when you drag it to a clip, so let's say we want a transition between these two clips to be cross dissolve. When you drag it, you just drag it in between, and it goes like that, and cross dissolves. Basically what it does. Now, for right over in this one, as you can see, it's a flash. It was actually the flash transition. You click on it, you can see it's a flash transition. How we did that was we looked through all of these, or simplistic ways. We just typed it here. And there, we're given a flash. So let's say we want to put that over here, between these two clips. And it flashes to what? To the other clip. And that's basically, those are the basic transitions that we use. Now, after we did our first draft, we realized that the coloring of these clips in the room scene wasn't the same in terms of lighting and everything. And so to make it to somewhat show continuity and that they were the same lighting, we had to adjust the color of the clip. And how we did that was we would select on the clip, go to this tool over here and show color board, and then we would just adjust the color through this. So I gotta put my cursor over here first, sorry. And then so you can see what I'm doing. And then just adjust, we would just change, play around with all of these different ones for the exposure, and you would just play around with that and change it to however we wanted it to make it the same for all clips. Saturation we change. Again, just play around with all of these different ones. And that's basically how we would change the color. So this is the color band and just move it around however we wanted it to get the right color. And over here it just shows where the shadows, what these different things stand for. And so that's basically how we would change the color. Okay, not only this, but over here in the wood scene especially, we did speed up quite a bit of clips, which are these ones over here, or slow it down, speed it up, however. And so how we would do that was click on the clip, go up here, go to modify, and retime. So if we wanted slower, faster, normal, custom speed, we normally go custom speed, so click on that. And this pops up over here, so we'd change the timing. So let's say if we wanted it faster, we'd make it higher. So say we wanted it like 120%. And so it would just make it faster. And then again, you can slower, normal, custom, and change it. So say we wanted it slower, we would just make it, say, 89%. And then, so now it's slower, if you look at it. And so that's how we would slow and speed up clips.